In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add borders to a paragraph in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see here, I have a document and I wish to go ahead and add a border on one paragraph. And for this case, I want to add a border around the first paragraph. Now to do this, just go ahead and highlight the paragraph on your Microsoft Word document like this. And once it's open, head over to this borders option. Go ahead and click on the drop down arrow, and here we have an option for various types of borders. Now go through all of them and decide the one that you wish to add. For my case, I wish to add a border around it, so I'll go ahead and choose outside borders. By clicking on it, now this will go ahead and add border around it. So that's how you can add borders or border around a paragraph in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.